These are the elevators at 5080 Tuttle Boulevard, Dublin, Ohio. Got some Dovers. Oh, they're Thyssenkrupps. Cool. These are fantastic. This is probably the best in shape impulse I've ever seen. Send this one up. We'll get the other one. Oh, yeah, it was 5080 Tuttle Crossing. I think I said 2080. Right, let's get this one here. There goes that one. This one just came down. Someone's in it. What the heck?
I'm gonna say that.
Did I just hallucinate or something, or did that do a EPCO chime? What in the world? I've never seen that before. That's so weird. You going up? Good.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. While we're waiting, we can get a look around the building. It's nice. That is genuinely the weirdest thing I've ever seen on a Dover elevator. I've never seen that before. We're gonna get this one again now. That one has a lower pitch motor. These are strange, but they're nice. You see, that one has the normal Dover chime. Stand that one up. You got this one, which has the, I think it's EPCO. I don't know why it's like that, but... That is so weird. I've never seen a Dover lantern with that chime. Oh, geez. And that one out there has normal chime. It's just that one downstairs. Floor 12, no way. It's glitching out like a long. That's so weird. All right, there it goes.